Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Qlip English, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia. Hello, everyone. I'm Michael. How are you today, Olivia?
I am very happy today, Michael. I had a wonderful morning.
Oh, what made it wonderful?
I woke up early, I had my coffee by the window, the sun was out. Very peaceful.
Ah, the sun. I love sunny mornings, but I did not wake up early today.
No? Why not?
The alarm rang. I pressed snooze.
Snooze. Do you know this word, everyone? Snooze means you stop the alarm for 5 more minutes, you go back to sleep, 5 more minutes, then 5 more minutes, then 5 more minutes.
And then you are late.
Yes, I was a little late today.
Well, Olivia, this is actually our topic today.
Being late?
No, our topic is daily routines.
Routines? What is a routine?
A routine is the things you do every day in the same order. For example, I wake up, I make coffee, I open the window. Every day. That is my morning routine.
Ah, a routine is like a plan, but every day.
Exactly. And everyone has a routine, even if it is a little different each day.
I have a routine. I wake up, I press snooze again.
That is a routine, yes. But first, before we start, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button. And please subscribe to Qlip English and share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English.
Thank you so much. It helps us a lot. We love our listeners.
Okay, let's talk about our day. Let's start in the morning. Michael, what's the first thing you do after snooze?
I get out of bed.
Good. Get out of bed. Then?
I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
The basics. What's next?
Coffee. Very important.
I open the window first. Fresh air before coffee.
You are very healthy, Olivia.
Fresh air wakes me up naturally.
For me, only coffee works.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes toast with butter when I have time.
I eat yogurt with fruit. Healthy and simple.
After that, I take a very hot shower. It wakes me up like coffee.
Good description. Then you get dressed.
This is my problem, Olivia. I open my wardrobe and think, I have nothing to wear.
You have many clothes.
I know, but nothing looks right. It takes me 20 minutes.
I have a solution. Choose your clothes the night before.
Oh, the night before. That's smart.
No thinking in the morning, just put them on.
I will try this tonight.
Now, time to go to work. How do you commute?
Commute? What's that?
Commute means travel from home to work.
I take the bus. Very crowded. I listen to a podcast.
Like Qlip English?
Yes, on the bus. Very useful.
I commute by walking, about 20 minutes.
Every day? With headphones?
No headphones, just thinking. It's peaceful.
Peaceful. That means calm and quiet?
Exactly. My morning walk is peaceful. Your bus is not. Okay, you arrive at work. First thing?
Another coffee.
Another one?
Yes, sometimes 3.
Michael.
I know. Then I check emails and start my tasks.
Tasks means the work you need to do.
I have many tasks, sometimes too many.
What about lunch? Bring or buy?
I buy. I don't have time to prepare.
Because of the 20-minute wardrobe.
Exactly. I buy a sandwich near the office.
I bring lunch from home. I prepare it the night before.
The night before again. You're so organized.
It saves time and money. Buying every day is expensive.
True.
How do you feel at 3 p.m.?
3 p.m. Dangerous time. My eyes feel heavy.
Very normal. My energy goes down too. Everything feels slow.
What do you do?
I drink green tea and eat a snack, an apple or some nuts.
A snack means small food between meals.
Exactly. Not a meal, just a little something.
I eat biscuits with chocolate.
Of course you do. Try green tea. It's calmer than coffee.
Calm. Peaceful. I will try.
After work, how do you feel?
Tired. Very tired. The best moment is opening my front door.
What's the first thing you do at home?
Take off my shoes. Change clothes immediately.
Same here. Comfortable clothes only.
T-shirt and soft pants. The best moment of my day.
Then?
I sit on my sofa. Do nothing for 10 minutes.
Good. Your brain needs to stop. Dinner. Do you cook?
I try. I'm not great. One time I made pasta with too much salt.
Too much salt is common.
Another time I left pasta in water too long. It became soup.
Pasta soup. Creative.
Now I make simple things. Pasta, eggs, sometimes I order food.
I like cooking in the evening. Soup or vegetables. It's relaxing.
Relaxing?
Yes, chopping vegetables, listening to music.
Chopping means cutting.
Yes, cutting food into small pieces. After dinner?
I watch a series. Drama, action, sometimes comedy.
Comedy is good after a long day. Laughing helps you relax.
What about you?
I read before bed, about 30 minutes.
You try, but I fall asleep after 2 pages.
That means the book is relaxing you. What time do you go to bed?
Midnight. One more episode, then one more, then one more.
I sleep at 10. I'm a morning person.
Midnight, I know, and my phone, maybe one more hour.
Michael, blue light from the phone wakes your brain. It thinks it's daytime.
So my brain thinks it's daytime at midnight?
Exactly. Try putting the phone down 30 minutes before bed.
30 minutes. I can try.
Your brain will thank you.
My brain says, thank you, Olivia.
So you're an evening person. I'm a morning person.
Both are okay?
Both are completely normal. The important thing is to know yourself.
Work with your body, not against it.
Exactly. Quick review. Today we talked about daily routines.
Morning, wake up, wash face, brush teeth, coffee, breakfast.
Get dressed and commute. Commute means travel to work.
At work, check emails, do tasks, lunch break.
After work, change clothes, relax, cook dinner.
Then watch TV, read, and sleep. Morning person or evening person, both are normal.
Perfect. You remembered everything. That's all for today. Thank you for listening to Qlip English.
Please subscribe and give this episode a like. It helps us so much.
Share it with a friend who is learning English.
And a question for you. Are you a morning person or an evening person? Tell us one thing you do every day. Write it in English in the comments.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.